I have gone through his records, and from what I see, I find that this young man is clean. You can't say that to me. Don't say that to me. All the evidence is pointing in this direction. What do you mean, clean? I see you have questions. Well, I have answers. How did he remain flawless? Well, at flawless cleaners, it can all be clean. No one and no place is a mess. They are just not clean enough. And the flawless cleaners will let you focus on what's important, while you leave the cleaning to us. So contact us on the number on your screen today. Let us get started with your cleaning journey and make you as pristine can be.
I remember when I couldn't level up, cause the Grammys had me feeling sick as fuck, throwing up and shit. Asking questions like, why wasn't us? Almost had a